Hey friends, today is an exciting day for a couple of reasons. Here on the farm, we've been working hard to get things in order. A lot of things have been out of order. Of course, starting with the house, getting unpacked, all that, but then getting landscaping done and just trying to tame the wilderness. You know, the sun is shining and we got a lot of rain actually last week, Poe's being loud. And so things are just growing crazy. And we had put a deposit and an order in for a quad like 2 months ago. I think my husband actually put the reservation on it before we moved. And that's been over 2 months now. And they kept telling us different dates. It's going to be the middle of April. It's going to be the end of April. It's going to be the middle of May. And so I think today it finally came. And I think my husband's going to be bringing it home today. So woohoo, finally we'll have something to help us in our attempt to tame the wilderness around here. My husband has like the brush cutter and some other different attachments. So we've got everything we need to kind of make it our mini farm tractor. Although Levi has dubbed it the farm monster truck. So that's probably what we'll call it. So that will be super exciting when it finally arrives. The other exciting thing today is that we are moving the girls down to the basement. They have been sleeping here in the dining room area and in the living room. There's their bunk beds, and then a couple of them sleep in the living room. And my husband has been working really hard to get the basement finished. It's not all the way finished, but there's walls up so that they can put their beds up against them. He was going really strong on that until the well pump died. And then of course, hopefully you saw the video that I put up a couple weeks ago about getting that well pump replaced. So that was a huge derailer of our plans. But then he's been back on, doing all the electrical. He's having to rewire a whole bunch because the electrical was really, really bad in the house. But enough is done now that the girls can move down to the basement. So we are working on cleaning down there. It still looks like a construction zone. And so there's lots of sweeping and throwing away of garbage and all that kind of stuff. And then when my husband gets home, we will work on moving beds downstairs. What you doing?
Yeah.
Eating?
Yeah.
But what are you doing outside?
Watching them.
Watching for Dad?
Yeah.
Okay. What was that?
Good fight.
A big fart. What's that?
A pug.
A quad! You didn't finish your bite.
Oh my goodness, I didn't know he's getting here today.
Surprise!
I didn't know that. Merry Summer Christmas.
There it is.
There it is.
Now it's time.
Awesome.
Now it's time to get to work.
What is it, Levi? The quad?
Yeah. They're taking that out.
You ready to get it out? You need to go get your Crocs back on so you can go check it out.
Yeah.
Open what? Open the orange strings?
Yeah.
Yep, that's what he's doing. What do you think about that quad?
I'm so big.
So big?
Yeah.
You remember, what else did you call it? You called it something different than a quad.
Quad.
Remember you called it a farm... A farm what?
Farmhouse.
No, that's our house, is the farmhouse. Remember you said it was a farm monster truck?
Yeah.
Does that look like a farm monster truck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With that ladder.
Yeah, it's a ladder.
Flint gave me.
Oh, yeah.
It's barely wide enough.
Oh.
Thankfully, I don't intend to have to load and unload it
I hate
particularly often,
Yeah.
so I don't really want to go buy ramps.
Yeah.
But getting it up
fire.
a little bit nerve-wracking.
Uh-oh.
Getting it down is even worse.
Yeah, I can imagine.
I think I'm going to go get a couple pieces of plywood out of the shop and put them on top of this ramp.
Okay.
Give myself that little extra room.
Yeah.
It's just barely wide enough for the wheels of this thing.
Flat here. Truck here? No, flat here. Truck
He's saying quad.
What? He found it. It's big.
Yeah, it's sick.
You found it. That was a long time to take you to find the quad. Like 2.5 months.
Oh my. What?
Quad monster truck. Easy.
Say hi, Mom. Want to ride?
Yes. It looks like a motorcycle.
All right, stay back.
Stay back, Levi. Come here.
There's a ladybug on the quad.
A princess ladybug.
Oh my goodness, I don't know if I can deal with it.
A queen ladybug.
All right, there we go. See if we can go faster.
Is that what Talia said? You think she's scared? A little bit? Because it's so fast?
No. It's happy.
It's happy?
Yeah.
Talia is happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, she is.
This time.
All right, you ready to try?
What is she gonna try?
She's going to try to drive it.
Oh.
Don't hit us, Tal.
Don't hit us! Really fast.
Levi's like, I'm ready to go again.
It's so high up.
Aren't you ready to go again?
When it's in park, it clicks into a parking brake kind of a thing. All right, your turn.
Can I try driving it?
No, not yet. We'll work on that. Everybody get out of the way. Who knows what Mom's going to do?
I want to do my turn.
Yep. What? It's just another light.
Oh, I see.
This is
Oh, I saw the little tab with the speed stick.
yeah. I just have to go right now.
So excited.
It's so exciting. No more bunk beds in this room. And I'll finally be able to put my curtains up. I got my curtain rod, but hadn't put the curtains up because the bunk bed was right there. Yay! Do you want to give me a tour of your new room?
Yes.
Okay, come on.
Okay, so, there's my bed.
That's your bed.
Yes. Then
Beautiful.
Charity's bed.
Charity's bed.
And Talia's bed.
And Talia's bed. Are you excited to sleep down here tonight?
Yes.
Yeah.
We all got our tables.
Yeah? Looks like you have some organizing to do. Yeah?
I meant to.
What does your to-do list say?
It might be spelled wrong.
Well, that's okay. Do chores, eat breakfast, do yard work, go to the pod,
Pond.
go to the pond, eat lunch, go to the pond, eat a snake,
Snake.
eat a snake,
I'm a snack.
eat a snack, do, what? It says screens, like
Yeah, like
a computer or something. Do screens. Okay, eat dinner,
Clean.
clean, movie, brush teeth,
Easy.
go to bed. Brush teethy. Go to bed. Wow, that's a great to-do list. That sounds like a perfect day right there. So wonderful.